We met Kathy in around 1994. She was 42 years old and in the end stages of fighting her battle with breast cancer. When she passed away, she told us we needed to keep fighting. So that was a burden we decided to take on, and we asked Dr. Sledge and Dr. Williams, who was the director of the Cancer Center, what they needed. And they said, without money, you can't get data. Without data, you can't get money. And that's what it takes for young researchers to move forward. We're now celebrating our 25th year as the Catherine Peachey Fund. And with the efforts of hundreds of wonderful women and men, we've raised over $3,400,000 that we've dedicated in Indiana to breast cancer research and programs supporting research. Dr. Sledge called us and said, I have this wonderful new scientist. He's brilliant, smarter than I am, but he's got to have funding to launch his career. And we were able to give Dr. Nakshatri his first $20,000 grant, which went on to produce marvelous research. Kathy's legacy is going to now be this wonderful new project that Dr. Nakshatri is doing.
Hari Nakshatri is really one of the hidden gems of breast cancer research and one of the most brilliant. He's often thinking several steps ahead of what we're able to do. So this is a project I know has been in Hari's brain for about a decade.
Ever since the common normal tissue bank has been established, my research has now moved towards understanding what is the normal breast composition is, how it differs from person to person. So Peachey gave us the seed money to understand how the breast of an individual differs from the other person. So the latest funding has enabled us to get the relevant technology that are needed in the lab, the expertise in the lab to do this, and it's a collaborative effort between healthy women, clinicians who collect the tissue, the lab people who analyze it, and bioinformaticians who analyze the data later.
It was late summer 2018 at Peachey, and then through the Heroes Foundation decided that this was something that had to be done and sooner than later. And that's when we decided to make the largest grant we've ever made, which is the $250,000 to get this project off the ground and on its way. If we can really clarify who's at risk, what's the degree of risk, we can move forward then to preventing it.
Science needs to balance taking big risky steps and small incremental steps. If we only take those small steps, we're only ever going to make small progress. Organizations like the Heroes Foundation through the Catherine Peachey Fund allow this sort of project to get off the ground and to really get started.
Now I'm a father of 2 daughters and had a family member who has succumbed to breast cancer. So, it's not just the professional, it's also personal interest. Because of this resource as well as the support, financial support, we can embark on this journey.